Hello everybody, welcome to episode 1 of our knowledge series on alternative investments. I am Rohit Gupta, founder of Algolytical. So in episode 1, we are going to talk about alternative investment funds and we'll dive into the questions that we are often asked about. So questions like what are AIFs, who can invest in AIFs, and what are the pros and cons of investing in AIFs. So first, let's talk about AIFs. AIF stands for Alternative Investment Funds. AIFs are pooled investment vehicles just like mutual funds. AIFs deploy advanced and complex investment strategies to invest in various asset classes. AIFs collect money from sophisticated investors, both Indian and foreign. However, they differ from mutual funds in terms of minimum investments, lock-in periods, and investment strategies. In India, alternative investment funds are divided into 3 categories. So let's understand in detail what these categories are. So category 1 funds, they focus on innovation and their goal is to generate long-term capital growth for their investors. Category 1 funds include venture capital funds, angel funds, small and medium enterprise funds, social venture funds, and infrastructure funds. Just think of early stage startups which can grow up to become next unicorns. Now let's talk about category 2 alternative investment funds. So category 2 funds are focused on equity and debt. These include private equity funds, distressed asset funds, structured credit funds, and real estate funds. Now let's talk about category 3 funds. So category 3 funds deploy complex trading strategies to invest in stock markets. They can invest in leverage instruments like futures and options. These are just like hedge funds in US. These are ideal for experienced investors seeking high return strategies. So now let's talk about who should invest in AIFs. So these are ideal for high net worth individuals, family offices, and institutional investors, as the minimum investment requirement is 1 crore in these funds. Since AIFs involve higher risk, longer lock-ins, and complex strategies, they require investors who understand these dynamics and can handle the volatility. So now let's talk about the benefits of investing in AIFs. Investing in AIFs has a lot of advantages like access to exclusive high growth investments, diversification beyond traditional markets, professionally managed funds by experienced fund managers, and potential of alpha generation offering returns above the benchmark. But remember, investing in AIFs comes with its own risks. AIFs are not liquid like mutual funds. There are higher risks and longer investment horizons. They deploy complex strategies with higher risks, and while investing, you need a strong appetite to deal with volatility and need to have a long-term vision. To sum it up, AIFs are powerful tools of wealth creation if you are ready for it. So this concludes our episode 1 of the knowledge series on alternative investments. Don't forget to follow for more simplified insights on portfolio management services, real estate investment trusts, infrastructure investment trusts, and gift city funds. So if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe and make us a part of your wealth creation journey.